Welcome back to more HARBRO freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have drum roll. We don't have a drum roll. It's official. Make it a savings weekend, June 27th to June 29th. Limit 5 in store only while supplies last. Can we click on this and make this bigger? No, but it didn't get bigger. Let's just zoom in. So 30% off all items, $20 and under for Inside Track Club, limit 5. And let's read the fine print. Valid in store on in-stock items, 6/27 to 6/29. Excludes Inside Track Club memberships. Okay, we got it. Extended service plans. Okay. Open box items and gift cards. Okay. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Now that's key. What are other offers? Coupon required for non-members. Inside Track Club members receive discount at register while supplies last. Non-transferable. Other restrictions may apply. Now the big thing we were talking about last time was, does this stack with instant savings? Now I feel like it should, but I guess it's store dependent. I had one commenter saying that it didn't work at their store, or it hasn't worked at their store. But I've had multiple people the last time around, since it goes on all weekend. I want to say like the wheels get greased as the deals get going, and as the 30% and the coupons all start going through. I feel like with the instant savings, it will stack. But again, the proof is in the pudding. I guess we won't officially know until tomorrow. And please, when you do go out there, let me know if those work. Now, with that being said, there's normally an accompaniment to this 30% off ITC for $20 and under. My guess is it's just not up yet, but it should be 30% off all items $10 or under, and then the official coupons will be out. But it is on the website, so it's official. Let's look just at a few. I know we went over some icon deals the other day, but let's just look at some of the instant savings again, which I feel is where you're going to get the biggest bang for your dollar. And then some of the feedback I got in the comments, I still think these are just out of range. These ratchets, 1,000-pound, be an extra $6 off. Amazing. Pittsburgh combination wrench sets, both SAE and metric, an extra $6 off. These red towels, but they also come in, are they selling? I don't see the other color. Believe they offer these in like a grayish or a white, but I don't see those being on the instant savings. But if you give these a wash, which is a great tip from the commenters, if you give these a wash, you get rid of the red blood, death, whatever it is that these towels have a bad rap for. But if you're getting them for $10, less 30%, which is, if you do 30% off of $10, it's $30 extra off. You're getting them for $7. Man, 50 towels for $7. I am there. And those are the super hot ones, but let's look to see if there's any new tools in the range, because new tools tend to not have any discount on them. But especially if they're brand new, you're not going to get anywhere close to 30% off. So let's peruse these real fast. And here we go, the new Pittsburgh. Someone did tell me about this one in the comments. The new Pittsburgh 10-inch adjustable demolition wrench, right at the sweet spot, $19.99, and this thing looks like it can build a whole house by itself. Look at that. It takes out nails. It's a pry bar. This thing does everything. 4-in-1 tool, includes a wrench, pry bar, nail puller, and a striking face to handle demo projects without switching tools. That is wild. I love it. $19.99. You'll get this for $6 off at $14. That one is definitely one to look out for. If you're into drill bits, all right, here we go. We have the Warrior Metric Drill Tap DeBurr bit set, 13-piece. $19.99. Get $6 off of that. All right, not as sexy as the Pittsburgh 4-in-1 tool. Got the digital scale, the Bauer drill bit set, the US General folding trays. This for the tech cart. Could do the Doyle 8-inch long nose all-purpose wire stripper and crimper. I'm a fan of Doyle. They have some good tools. Brand new, $19.99. Save $6. Of course, if you're ITC, the Gojo scrubbing towels. Haven't used them, but I've used some similar, pretty heavy duty scrubbing towels. The Quinn precision screwdriver set, the 12-piece, $15. 10% off would be $1.50 off. 30% off is $4.50 off. So you're getting this for basically $10. A Quinn precision screwdriver set, 12-piece, 3 holding zones, precision power fast spinning, easy maneuverability, and control. Includes precision slotted Phillips hex. Dang, this is another steal of a deal for $10 essentially. Again, I don't want to put, this is one of those times where ITC just feels like it has a very good purpose. You can buy 5 tools and save $5 to $6 on very good tools that are about $20, and the membership will pay for itself. And this is just in one use of an ITC membership. Anyways, I'm not going to shill for Harbor Freight, but I will shill for the HARBROs out there. And those are some of the new tools. Have the Doyle 3-pound drill, steel drilling hammer, the Braun 800 lumen tactical LED light. You got the Harbor Freight low profile trucker hat. If you haven't gotten it yet, $7, but you can get it for 30% off. So you'll save about $2.10, which will get it down to $4.80. So a beautiful hat, a nice hat for less than $5. There's like 3 steals of a deals in these so far. That's why, again, 30% off of any items $20 or more, or $20 or less, are such great deals. And we'll just peruse the last page of new tools. This Luminar outdoor camp pop-up light for $5. Save $1.50, get it for $3.50. Deal and a half. Harbor Freight 55-pound 19-gallon double XL bag. Save 30 cents. Okay, that might be pushing it a little bit. And we are just going to peruse through some of the best matches. These tend to be the more popular items. Hercules multi-material carbide hole saw for $17. You can get 30% off of that. The US General 9.5-inch. If you're a fan of the Pittsburgh circular one, I mean, normally they give those for free, which is amazing. But here's the US General 9.5-inch by 5.5-inch magnetic stainless steel parts tray for $12.99. At this point, you save almost $4, so you get this for about $8, $9, which would be a good get on this for 30% off. And anyways, we'll leave it at that. They got some great deals out there. I'll include the list if you want to go through all the tools. Let me know what you're going to get. There's some great stuff out there starting tomorrow. Again, put it in the comments, because you HARBROs and HARBROettes have all the ideas. But happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, happy weekend. Please consider liking and subscribing. It helps the channel a lot. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, which is wild, and I appreciate everyone who watches these videos. And hopefully they're a little bit useful. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.